Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And today I'll be making a crispy, spicy, juicy chicken sandwich. Okay, you're going to need a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. You're also going to need lettuce, tomatoes, Kaiser roll, and habanero hot sauce. Next step is you want to start adding all the seasoning to the chicken and then start mixing everything together, all right? Now, so you want to turn your stove on to medium heat, and once the oil is hot, then you can go ahead and start adding your chicken, okay? And just let it slow cook, you know? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip my chicken. It's been cooking for like 3 minutes now on the one side. Look at that nice golden brown color. While the chicken is being cooked, we're going to start building our chicken sandwich, okay? So first off, you want to add some French dressing. We're going to add some leaf lettuce. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. Real simple. After this, we're going to add our chicken and then top it off with some fried bacon. It's been like 10 minutes since I started the chicken. It's done, ready to go. Nice and juicy, crispy, spicy, all that good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and add it to the bun, you know. You wanna shake off all that excessive grease, oil. Now, while that's sitting, I'm just gonna go ahead and drop me some turkey bacon in that same grease. And that should be done in like, this should be done in like 2 minutes. All right guys, so we're gonna add the turkey bacon to our sandwich. Nice and crispy. You know, look at that. And there you have it, spicy, juicy, crispy chicken sandwich. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and please subscribe, you know, just spread the word. Thanks for your time. Until next time.